been on for the past few days for understanding and analyzing COVID chest X-rays and CT scans. So the basic idea is as COVID-19 is peaking and there's a shortage of medical staff. So basically, some medical trainees or other people they can use this tool and get a better understanding of the disease. So this tool has four parts: classification, comparison, study, and resources. Now suppose as a trainee I have a patient X-ray image which I want to run through this tool. So I can upload the patient X-ray image. So till it uploads, I'll talk a bit about the classifier. So the classifier I'm using is a ResNet 18 PyTorch model. So it's is trained on already trained on the ImageNet dataset. So I've trained it a bit more on the COVID radiology dataset. So this is the open source dataset. And if we talk about now classification, so if I click on classify, so the image the classifier tells me that there is a 60% chance that this might be COVID. So knowing that, I can go and study this image further. So this particular tool just helps me to analyze the image better. So I can just upload the image again. And now what do I need to look for? So I need to look for certain features which are present in the chest X-ray and CT scans for COVID patients. So I can go through what features to look for, and then there are certain image processing features, so like I can increase the brightness or contrast or invert. So all these tools will help me get those features better. So if I can invert, basically increase the sepia. So basically I can see that use this image processing and find out the okay, there are certain glass opacities around this, and I can take note on that. Found let's say found glass opacities around the patient's lung periphery. So I can export this image and share it with the medical professional. So basically it has the image, it has all my observations, and this is entirely generated in on the browser. So this no so the user privacy has been taken into account. And so this is one study analyze component. Then there's one comparison component where I can compare my image. So this was my image, I can compare it with let's say a previous COVID image, or I can compare it with pneumonia image. So let me compare it with this. So here I can see that okay, the glass opacities here is slightly different than the opacities which are here. So here the glass opacities are much more as compared to here. So this looks like to be a COVID image, and this is a pneumonia image. So let me just differentiate it with the COVID image. Basically, so if I took a COVID image, and if I now look at, okay, I find certain similarities. So if I can even compare it with normal chest X-rays. So now there's a lot of dissimilarities. So I can take a note, and I can export like I did previously, and I can share it with the medical staff. And then there are certain resources which as a trainee I can go through and understand more about this disease, especially the imaging features, like what to look out for in CT scans, in X-rays, and then performing some swabs, and again understanding the images. So basically, so these are the four parts: classification, comparison, analyzing, and then resourcing. So thanks.